एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मेरे पास है एक फेलो रेजिडेंट कोलकाता से जो कि बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है, तो उनसे हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है सीखने को। प्लस हम दोनों मिलके आपको थोड़ा आइडिया देना चाहते हैं अबाउट हाउ पीजी रेजिडेंसी इज ऑन द ईस्ट साइड। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले शाहरुख, आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहेंगे?
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shahrukh Raza. I'm a third year PG resident in dermatology from KPC Medical College, Calcutta. And I'm here with an expert, Arushi. She's going to hopefully make the video worthwhile and we'll try to help everyone who's watching.
Yeah, so I'm doing my PG at Guwahati Medical College, Assam. One of the most common questions that we get, like the common questions that I get on my videos, are about the bonds at our places. So I think in Assam, to be honest, the bond on paper is for 10 years. They make you do only 1 year. But this year, they are planning to extend it to 2 years. Although I am not very sure of how much this is going to get applied in actuality. But this is what they plan. So basically, they write 10 years on paper, but it's not that much. How about Kolkata and West Bengal?
In West Bengal, the bond, there are 3 types of seats. It can be a government seat or a state seat where the bond is for 3 years. आपको सर्व करना पड़ेगा wherever they decide. First year is in a medical college. The other 2 years will be somewhere in a PHC or periphery में कहीं. The amount to break the bond is 10 lakhs per defaulting year. The moment you complete PG, आप 30 lakhs दे के चुक्त हो सकते हैं बॉन्ड से, और मे बी उसे 1 साल एंड देन यू पे 20 lakhs, तो वैसा है. मैनेजमेंट सीट्स डोंट हैव अ बॉन्ड पर से, एंड एक और NRI सीट है दैट ऑल्सो डजंट हैव एनी बॉन्ड. तो ओनली स्टेट कोटा सीट्स हैव बॉन्ड.
ओके, ऑल इंडिया कोटा में भी नहीं है?
ऑल इंडिया कोटा में भी है, तो अभी आई थिंक कोई काउंसलिंग होने वाली है.
In Assam, it's uniform in that sense.
वेस्ट बंगाल में भी है, बट वही डिपेंड्स ऑन द सीट्स.
It doesn't depend on the seat, whether you take it from state or from the government, it's going to be the same. Plus, one of the things is they'll make you do, it depends on your rank, whether whether you get to serve it in a medical college or in some PHC, depends entirely on your rank. But wherever you go, you'll practice as a specialist only. So that is one thing. Other than Assam, I've also been to Nigrims, Shillong, and RIMS Imphal. So those two are central government run institutions. They do not have bonds, and the stipend and all is also at par with the central government. Other than that, there is I think Manipur mein there's one Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College. So I don't know, do you know about the bond there? I think it's 1 year.
No, I'm unaware of that.
Okay. What do you know about Bihar or Jharkhand?
झारखंड में as far as I know 2 साल की बॉन्ड है.
Okay.
महाराष्ट्र is 1 year.
Okay.
मध्य प्रदेश is 1 year.
Okay.
But I think year to year publish कर देते हैं उन लोग at the time of counseling.
Haryana, Delhi don't have bond. Punjab has 1 year. Rajasthan, they say it's 2 years, but they don't make you do it. So other than that, I have a video on counseling where I've put the sequence of colleges that you can fill and also about the bonds and stuff I've put there. So besides that, also, how did you prepare for all the quizzes that you take?
Definitely the best way to prepare for any quiz is to take part in it.
Yeah,
Qualify.
experience.
Of course, experience matters. Whether you qualify or don't qualify doesn't matter. It's a learning experience.
Participation is more important than winning. Other than that, I think there are some research papers. There's an MCQ book by IADVL as well. And there are some MCQs book for some MRCP type of exams, especially for dermatology, that are there. So e-task karke there's one book.
Yes.
Then there's some question banks for SCE. There is one MCQ book by IADVL. Then there are specific research papers for quizzes, and then the IADVL website also has SIG quiz and all. So special section for SIG quizzes and all. Other than that, you have to know who your quiz master is.
बिल्कुल. IJDVL also, there's a journal जहाँ का Residence Corner, there's a page. So people should go through that. Of course, like she said, know your quiz master. It's basically from the subject only. आप जितना अच्छा theory में होंगे, it helps you to somewhat.
Okay.
And it's a teamwork thing.
Yeah. So what are your learnings from residency? Like, how should people do it? And what would you change about your residency if you could?
Grass is not greener on the other side. Oh, definitely, I would say people think के NEET PG is the major hurdle. नहीं, residency is difficult, but like I keep telling everyone, it's better to cry as a resident than to cry as an aspirant.
Yeah, that is true.
मेहनत आपको हर subject में करनी पड़ेगी.
But
even though,
and I think personally, I feel that PG is PG is more rewarding also, because मैं जितनी भी मेहनत कर रही हूँ, I know that it is helping somebody out there. UG mein you're not seeing patients, so it doesn't satisfy you that much. I personally feel that. But baki
UG में I think your role as a patient to treat a patient कम रहता है no doubt.
हाँ, but
Backbone तो interns अभी भी हैं, but as a junior resident definitely you make a lot of serious calls and patient feedback interaction तो काफी ज़्यादा है.
हाँ, तो it is more gratifying. I feel working hard as a PG is more gratifying. But yeah, definitely that's not the end of the road. Joining PG doesn't mean anything. You have to work hard, you have to study a lot, and you also have to see a lot of patients. And besides that, PG is a lot of learning outside of your work also, because you grow as a person, you deal with a lot of people, and I mean, for me, it was a big change going from north to east, and I had to learn a new language. I had to adjust according to a new set of, culture. I had to adjust to a new culture and new environment, but I think it made me a better person. Now, if I go somewhere else, the adjustment problem might not be as much, because I know what lies after it. So it would be easier for me to transition, but it did help me grow more as a person.
Apart from that, दोनों dermatology residents से don't take it from us, but हर subject में आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Dermatology is not a short subject, whether it's anatomy, physio, or something like dermatology or radiology. मेहनत, पढ़ाई
And
सब में
I
एक
think
समान.
derma is one subject which is like growing every day. So you have new cosmetic procedures, you have new cosmetics if you go in that area. Otherwise, if you talk about clinical derma also, like we have so many new things which
We
keep
have
coming up.
new diseases, Mpox.
Even in the conference that we were at, I mean, they were talking about Mycoplasma genitalium, and they were talking about shigellosis as an STD. So new things keep coming up. That's not for derma per se only, but for all branches. But I think derma is probably one of those branches which has seen enormous growth in the past few years. Like from one of the bottommost branches, it has come to the top.
Definitely.
And we are seeing a lot of growth, like in the terms of treatment options also. Earlier we only had steroids, now we have biologicals, we have new immunosuppressants which keep coming up. So even in the diagnostics, if you see, like dermoscopy is a relatively new thing, and there are so many other things that keep coming up. So I think derma is growing very fastly, and I think the thing that attracts people the most is the cosmetics and the dermatosurgery part. That also is ever growing, because this will all come in what is derma as a branch.